Good evening, everybody. Today, I want to give my project presentation on machine learning model to predict the thermodynamic stability of pervoskite oxides. So, what are pervoskite oxides? This is as we can see in the presentation, this is the structure of a pervoskite. Here, the A sides are usually taken by the cations, and they are cations. No, the A sides are taken by anions and they are usually in bigger size. So blue sides are taken by cations and red there can be another atoms. So why we are studying our peroxide oxides? We are studying about peroxide oxide because they have capability of replacing traditional semiconductor materials in solar cells. The traditional semiconductor manufacturing of solar cells with traditional semiconductor material is costly and is very complex process. But if we replace them by peroxide oxides, then the process becomes simple and also cost effective. So also the peroxide oxide can absorb wide range of wavelength, means more wave they can absorb more wavelength, so they will be more efficient. Also they are more tolerant to defects, and in today's world they are also used in fuel cells, sensors and catalyst. So what is the objective? Our objective is to predict the thermodynamic stability of peroxide. So we have taken the energy as our basis. As we know, lower the energy, more will the stability. So what we will do, we will study the various combination of cations and anions in the peroxide structure, and the structures which have energy less than 40 are considered to be stable, and the structures where energy is more than 40 are considered to be unstable. So for the given artificial intelligence model, we have taken the data from a research paper. This is the website. It consists of 81 columns and around 2000 rows. But the data contain values of various elements. But the computer understand only the integer values or the numbers value. So we have done the mapping. Like we have taken beryllium as 1 and Y as 3 and La as 2, so that computer can recognize it. What does it means? Like BA will think computer will think BA as 1 and LA as 2 and Y as 3. So now what we have done, like here we have like around 80 columns of data, but all data is not needed. Like some data is redundant. Redundant means like they can create like they are of not use. Their presence doesn't make much significance. So it's better to remove them. So this is a correlation matrix. Correlation matrix is used to determine uh, on which factors our energy depends on. As we have 80 features, only on the 58 features our energy depends, so the rest are eliminated. So these are the graphs for representing our data. Now, what are machine learning model? So the first in machine learning, we are going to do two things. First, we are going to classify various compound into stable and unstables. Here, SVM is used. SVM is very good in classifying the data into two parts. One class will contain the stable compounds and one class will contain unstable compounds. So this is a confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is used to uh, tell the results. So like here 81 means the 81 means like 81 the computer said that 81 are stable. 81 means computer predicted a lot of stable compound, out of which 81 are rarely stable and computer detected correctly. Similarly, the 230 values are unstable and computer determined it correctly. But 32 and 25 can be considered as error. So this is the result. Result is this the accuracy. So we can say that our model is about 80% accurate. Means about 80% it was able to determine the correct result. Now, another machine learning model we have used is a random forest. A random forest is used to predict the values. Now we have to predict the values means if we give new data to the computer, it will be able to give the result. For example, we give the data for some unknown element and we need to calculate its that energy. But for calculating energy, we don't need to do experiments or lab work. We simply can give the values to our machine learning model and it will predict the energy values with accuracy of 80%. So this is the graph between showing that what is the real value and what is the predicted value. Like if our model trained our model predicted the energy is 50 and the real energy was 51, so it has very less accuracy. This is by shown by these two graphs. This is accuracy and this is the conclusion. Thank you.